Hi, my name is Angel.
My name is Edgardo.
We are a teammate and we are going to solve this integral. As you can see, it is a trigonometric integral that involves power. So that means that it can be solved by low angle identities or by Pythagorean. So let's get started. So first of all, we can take out the 32. So we put it in here, then we write all of it. Then, in this case, we're gonna choose 2x to the fourth power as our u. So we solve for du. This is a 4. And we want to know what is dx. Well, we have dx, so we can put it in the equation, in integral. And now we can cancel x to the third power with this. And it's gonna be 32 and we can take out this and put it, and we can multiply it times 32. It's gonna be equals 4. So and we already have this answer. But
in order to break down this equation, we need to separate and do the Pythagorean identities. This is how it's gonna work. You plug in the 4 and then separate the cos to the third power, cos u, and then cos squared to u dx. We have this. In order to solve the problem, we need to use Pythagorean identities to solve cosine squared. So now it's 4 cos u, and then it's 1 minus sine squared to u. And then we solve for sine and so forth.
So after getting to this part of the problem, we would like to find b, which in this case will be sin of u. So b sin of u, and of course dv will be 1 over cos of u. So now with this data we will rewrite. So it will be cos of u times 1 minus b to the second power. And then we put dv, which is 1 over cos of u dx. So now we can cancel cos with cos, and we will be left with this simpler equation. So after we have this, we will just separate normally. And now we'll go with you, David.
So Scutia ends in this step. Then we need to integrate the 1 dx and the b squared dx. It's pretty simple. One is b and the b squared is b cubed under 3. So we need to remember that b equals to c in u, so we can plug it in the b to the problem. So in the next step, we can plug it in the b, and it will be sin of u minus sin cubed of u divided by 3. So then we need to remember that u equals 2x4. So then we can plug it in the u, and it will be the final answer. And we need to remember that in the first exercise, in the first steps, we take out the 4. So we are plugging in the 4 in the final answer.